Hi crew, today for our module lesson you need your bird book again. Today we are going to be working on affixes. So let me read the learning target to you first. So the learning target is I can use affixes to break apart words. So in today's lesson, we're going to be going back and forth between a couple of pages. So this worksheet is on page 30. Okay, so if you find page 30, I'm going to take a Post-it. So Ms. Manfred and I gave you guys lots of Post-its. Go ahead and take a Post-it and just stick it right there so that way you can go back to it easily. The next pages we're going to need is on page 9, 10, and 11. So our affix list is page 9, 10, and 11. So first I want to go over pages 9, 10, and 11 first. So an affix is different parts of a word. Okay, so here on this page here, we have prefixes. If you want to take out your highlighter to highlight with me, that's fine too. The first page, these are all prefixes. And prefixes, they come before the root word. This is a whole list of prefixes. So we have re, in, im, un, dis, pre, tel, de, and then it goes all the way down. So I won't read all of them. Okay, and then you'll see, let's go to the first one. The prefix re means again or back. So an example would be reread, rewrite, return. So often Ms. Manfred and I return work to you because we want you to look at it again and to complete it correctly if you did it incorrect the first time. Okay, go ahead and turn to page 10. On page 10, these are your roots. So I'm going to highlight these in orange. Okay. These are your root words. So you'll see the list of them: bile, form, etc. And it goes all the way down. So let's just look at the first one. Bile, the definition means life. And for example, we have biology, biography, antibiotic. Okay. Then go ahead and go to page 11. And page 11 are suffixes. And I'm going to highlight these in pink. So suffixes come after the root. So for example, we have S, ES, IES, and it goes all the way down. So S, the definition means plural, more than one. For example, hats, pigs, books, play. And you'll see that ES and IES also means more than one, but depending on the spelling, right, we have boxes, ends in the ES. Parties, you have to drop the Y and add the IES. Okay, alrighty. Now let's go ahead and go back to page 30. So remember, if you put your bookmark in, your Post-it will be easy to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the directions. It says, use the charts to break the following words into roots and affixes. Our first word is unfeeling. So let's go ahead and go back to our affix list. And let's see if we can find any prefix, root, suffix for unfeeling. Okay, so here we go. Let's start with the prefixes on page 9. Can you guys find un? Oh, I see it. Yeah, you guys are pointing it out right here. Un. So it means not, opposite. Okay. And then let's see. We have the word is unfeeling. Let's go to page 10. Is feel a root word? Feel. F-E-E-L. Nope, I don't see it. Let's see. Is there any suffixes? You're right. There's the ing, which means action or process. Okay, so let's go back to page 30, and now we're going to break this word apart. So we have the word un was a prefix. We circle that there. We didn't have a root word. We do have a suffix. It was ing. Okay, now let's go to number 2. Enjoyable. All Alrighty, crew. And then our root word here would be feel. F-E-E-L. So unfeeling. All right, our next word is enjoyable. So let's go ahead and take a look at the prefix. Do you see any en in joy? Actually, enjoy is one word, so it wouldn't be a prefix. What about our suffixes? Enjoyable. Do you see A-B-L-E? All right, so it doesn't look like it's on here, but I will help you. So there's no prefix in enjoyable, but the root word is enjoy. Okay, and then the suffix is able. A-B-L-E. Yeah, so the chart they give you, it looks like it doesn't have all the suffixes, which makes sense because I guess if they gave you all of them, it would be too long, but that's okay. Okay, number 3, indestructible. Okay, so if you turn back to page, right here, page 9, I see in. Let's see, I'm going to just check the spelling. I-N. So here's in. I-N means not. And then our root word is probably going to be destruct. Oh, but I want you to take a look down here. On page 10, we have destruct, but struct is here to build. So that means indestructible. That means that there's probably going to be one more prefix, D. In D. The E's here. Reduce, down, far away. Indestructible. And then I-B-L-E-able. Let's see, do they have it here? Able in the suffixes. Okay, it doesn't look like it. Okay, so let's go back to page 30 to break it apart. Our prefix in destruct. I'm going to put destruct together. The reason I'm putting it together is because it's a word on its own. So destruct. And then able. Indestructible. So that means that something is not able to break apart. Oh, we forgot to go over. Number 1, unfeeling means like you can't feel it, or like happening, can't feel it happening, unfeeling. Enjoyable means like something is, you are able to enjoy it. Indestructible means like it's not break apart. You can't break it apart. Number 4, enlarge. So let's take a look at our prefix again. We have in, and I can see large. I can see that that's probably going to be our root word because large is a word. And it looks like it also ends in ed. So let's see. In, en. Oh, it doesn't look like they have n here. Okay, and then large is going to be our root word, but again, I can see that it's not on here. And then the last word is ed, and that is right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and fill out enlarge. In is our prefix. Large is our root word. And then the suffix is ed. And normally you can see when they wrote enlarge, they took out one of the e's to add the ed. Enlarge means to make bigger. And our last word is disagreeable. So can you guys help me? I'm tired of flipping my pages. Can you guys go and see if you guys can find dis? And then I can see the word agree. I already know that's a root word because agree is a word on its own. And I'm going to put able here because we did able for enjoyable. A-B-L-E. And then dis, if you looked at your prefix, dis was there and it means not and opposite of. Perfect. Thank you for those who were helping me with that. And disagreeable means like something is you can disagree, like you're able to disagree on it. Alrighty, crew, that's it for today. So see you tomorrow. Bye.